Planning a trip while pregnant? Whether it's a baby moon, a work trip, or just a quick getaway, traveling during pregnancy can be both exciting and a little nerve-wracking. With the right precautions, you can have a smooth and comfortable journey. In this video, we'll go over the essential do's and don'ts of traveling while expecting, so you can stay safe and enjoy your trip to the fullest. Traveling during pregnancy can be both an exciting and nerve-wracking experience. Whether it's a baby moon, a work trip, or visiting loved ones before your little one arrives, many moms-to-be wonder if it's safe to travel and what precautions they should take. The good news is that with the right planning and care, traveling while pregnant can be a smooth and enjoyable experience. Before packing your bags, the first step is always to check in with your doctor or midwife. Every pregnancy is different, and while some women have no issues traveling at any stage, others may have certain conditions that require extra precautions. Generally, the second trimester is considered the best time to travel because morning sickness has often subsided, and you're not yet dealing with the discomfort of the later months. Airlines and travel companies also have policies regarding pregnant travelers, especially in the third trimester, so it's always a good idea to check these before booking your trip. Comfort is key when traveling while pregnant. Whether you're flying, driving, or taking a train, wearing loose, comfortable clothing and supportive shoes can make a big difference. Long trips can lead to swelling and discomfort, so stretching your legs and moving around whenever possible is a great way to improve circulation and prevent blood clots. If flying, consider requesting an aisle seat so you can get up and move around more easily. Staying hydrated is also essential since dehydration can lead to dizziness and contractions. Keeping a water bottle handy and sipping frequently can help you stay comfortable. Choosing the right destination matters too. While a relaxing beach getaway or a gentle countryside retreat can be ideal, destinations with high altitudes, extreme heat, or the risk of infections like Zika virus should be avoided. Make sure you have access to good medical care wherever you're going, just in case. It's also a good idea to carry copies of your medical records, including any important test results, in case you need to see a doctor while away from home. Eating well while traveling is just as important as when you're at home. It's best to avoid street food or anything that might be undercooked to reduce the risk of foodborne illnesses. Sticking to freshly cooked meals, drinking bottled or filtered water, and carrying healthy snacks can help you stay nourished and avoid sudden hunger pangs. If nausea is still an issue, keeping crackers or ginger-based snacks on hand can be helpful. When traveling by car, wearing a seatbelt properly is crucial. The lap belt should be positioned under the belly, across the hips, rather than over the bump, and the shoulder strap should go between the breasts and off to the side of the belly. Taking breaks every couple of hours to walk around and stretch can prevent stiffness and improve circulation. Long road trips can be tiring, so planning plenty of rest stops along the way makes the journey more comfortable. Flying comes with its own set of considerations. Many airlines allow pregnant women to travel up to 36 weeks for domestic flights, but some have earlier restrictions, especially for international flights. Checking airline policies beforehand can prevent any last-minute surprises. Wearing compression socks during flights can help reduce swelling, and keeping a small pillow or back support can make the seat more comfortable. If traveling internationally, researching whether you need specific vaccinations or medical approvals is essential to ensure both mum and baby stay safe. Cruises can be a wonderful way to relax, but they also require some planning. Many cruise lines have policies about how far along in pregnancy travelers can be, often limiting travel after 24 to 28 weeks. Additionally, motion sickness can sometimes be more intense during pregnancy, so packing doctor-approved nausea remedies is a good idea. Ensuring the ship has proper medical facilities is also important, just in case unexpected health concerns arise. Listening to your body is one of the most important aspects of traveling while pregnant. Pregnancy can be unpredictable, and what feels manageable one day might feel exhausting the next. Taking breaks when needed, not overloading your schedule, and prioritizing rest can make the trip far more enjoyable. If you experience any warning signs like severe headaches, swelling, contractions, dizziness, or unusual pain, seeking medical attention immediately is the safest approach. Having a well-packed bag can make all the difference in how smooth your trip goes. Essentials like prenatal vitamins, any prescribed medications, a copy of your medical records, comfortable clothing, and healthy snacks should always be on hand. Packing items that help with comfort, like a small pillow, a blanket, and supportive shoes, can also make traveling easier. If you're flying, carrying a doctor's note verifying how far along you are can be helpful, especially for international travel. Traveling during pregnancy can be a wonderful experience with the right preparation. Whether it's a short getaway or a long-haul trip, taking care of your comfort and well-being should always come first. Checking in with your doctor, choosing safe destinations, staying hydrated, eating well, and listening to your body are all key to making the journey enjoyable. With a little extra planning, you can create beautiful travel memories before your baby arrives. Traveling during pregnancy doesn't have to be stressful as long as you plan ahead and listen to your body. Prioritizing comfort, staying hydrated, and knowing when to take it easy will make all the difference. If you've traveled while pregnant, share your experience in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more pregnancy tips and advice. Safe travels, and take care.